It's so good. How dare you? Stop riding your bike in my way.
You know who I am? My name is Stephen.
No, it's not. Whee! Get right up in there. Yeah. I'm seriously, we're just like completely giving up on everything. It's got a nice pattern on the ground though. Fucking high beams on. I'll put those there. Turn this off. Low beams. One cut off. Where's the other one? There it is. Not perfectly aligned, as you can see. I am talking to it. I'm telling it that it's not perfectly aligned over here. But, what are you gonna do? Nice socks! I sure did. I have to point those out in the video.